From me turn in a side gal, I just be a problem in my life, gal. Yo, from me turn in a side gal, I just be a question from my wife, gal. Me tell her so we are gonna link up, but you can't talk.
That was One and Move by Governor. Welcome to another episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host Michaela Leeanna, and this week we're coming to you from Papine. We have so much in store for you, so without further ado, let's get started. The grand coronation show of the Miss Universe Jamaica East competition. We were there for the highlights.
All my life, winning's been a habit, yeah. No compromise, I've always been a savage. Can't have it all if you don't put the work in. On my humble and grinding, don't stop until I'm the highest. If life's a gamble, then take a chance. Place your bets on I'm a winning hand. I put 150 into everything I do. You know. And yeah, I'm fearless. And yeah, I'm full
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the ladies. The Miss Universe Jamaica East 2018. All the contestants. Can you give it up for all the contestants?
Enjoy the rest of the show and the beautiful ladies.
Congratulations, the most congenial contestant.
Yes, smile for the camera.
Best in evening gown. Teejay Anderson. National competition. So guess what? They've made it to the finals. They're all winners, right, ladies and gentlemen? Here. Now in third place, or second runner-up this evening in the Miss Universe Jamaica East 2018 competition is Kayla Smith.
There she goes. She's making her way to the front of the stage.
Stop talking right now and
are you ready?
The winner.
The winner.
The winner.
The winner
of Miss Universe Jamaica East 2018 is Teejay Anderson.
East 2018.
Teejay Anderson. Miss Universe Jamaica East 2018. Isn't she stunning? Isn't she beautiful?
That's right.
Morning, Miss Jai was fine at the park. Aki and bread to save my line back. Missy reasonable doubt with the sound I set up. Fever, boogie, woogie, woogie. Why won't you move your legs? Nobody run with me, yeah. Ooh, boogie, woogie, woogie.
How does it feel to be the new queen of the East?
I'm so happy. Like, I've worked so hard, I've done so much, I've learned so much. This is just so amazing. Like, I feel really good right now.
What was the reason why you entered this pageant?
Really and truly, I wanted to bring forward that side of myself again. Like, having endometriosis, I'm really battling with it, and it made me lost a bit of myself, but doing this has reminded me how strong I am and that I'm capable of doing anything.
You spoke about some charity. Talk to me about that.
Okay, well, I'm actually with Sasha Mani Sunrise as well, outside of Operation Help the People. I have 2 charities for myself, Creative Interaction for socialization, and also Mission Endo, which is my main one right now, where I'm helping young boys and, well, young girls and boys including, about endometriosis and the effects that it can have on females and how it affects our male counterparts as well.
Why was it so important for you to go after this title? I mean, you've been Miss Jamaica Global, you're Miss Jamaica World, but why this particular pageant?
I really think pageantry gives you a platform to express who you are and also to help other people. So I'm going to continue this journey to express myself, to help other people, to encourage someone else, to inspire other young women. Well, I grew up in Mona for most of my life, all of my life. And I went to Holy Child High School, but I finished my 6th form at St. Andrew High School for girls. I'm at the University of the West Indies studying management studies, and I'm in my 2nd year.
Congratulations to the newly crowned queen, who will now move on to the grand coronation of the Miss Universe Jamaica 2018. When we get back, it's all about Rhumba, and we roll out the latest video from Tifa.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gala overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we be Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we turn up in a stock. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
Savor the Island Flavor at Annual Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival, Sunday, July 22nd at Roy Wilkins Park in Queens. Enjoy finger-licking Caribbean cuisine, culinary demonstrations, cultural performances, a kids zone, tons of giveaways, something for everyone. Performances by Elephant Man,
On the river, on the bank.
Good Celebrity,
And you are walking trophy. You are walking.
Lust,
Say you love me, just as I am.
West African Sensation, Pato Ranking, New Kingston, Brata Folk Singers, and more. It's a celebration of food, music, and fun. The Grace Jamaica Jerk Festival, Sunday, July 22nd, Roy Wilkins Park in Queens. Noon to 8 p.m. Buy tickets online at jerkfestivalny.com. Sponsored by Tower Isle Parties, La Park and Shipping, the Jamaica Tourist Board, and VP Records.